Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sage Intacct Review My Usage Experience. Sage Intacct Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way for businesses to review and analyze their Sage Intacct data. Its main purpose is to provide clear, concise reports on financial performance, allowing users to quickly identify trends and make informed decisions. The target audience is primarily accounting professionals and business owners using the Sage Intacct accounting software. Key features include customizable report generation and data visualization tools. Their website provides details on pricing and specific functionalities. They highlight the ease of use, emphasizing its intuitive interface designed for quick data analysis. While specific pricing isn't publicly listed on the main site, they suggest contacting sales for a customized quote. They emphasize the system's integration with existing Sage Intacct accounts, minimizing disruption to existing workflows. Availability is, naturally, dependent on having a Sage Intacct subscription. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sage Intacct Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I was able to quickly generate reports on key performance indicators like revenue, expenses, and profitability. For instance, generating a year-over-year comparison report took less than a minute. The platform performed flawlessly, reports loaded quickly, and the data visualization tools made it easy to understand complex financial information. I had a quick question about custom report creation, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a high-level overview of my financial health at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to export reports in various formats, making it easy to share data with stakeholders. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for pre-built reports. I would have liked a bit more flexibility there. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, but once I understood them, they were extremely powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Sage Intacct Review My Usage Experience. It significantly streamlines my financial analysis process and provides valuable insights into my business's performance. That's my overview of Sage Intacct Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.